Every year, on the first Saturday of September, the world organizes International Vulture Awareness Day program. Due to that reason, a global event aimed at Ramnagar Vulture Sanctuary. Forest Department raised an awareness about the importance of vultures and the challenges they face every day. You understand, it's a very crucial event for every birdwatcher to raise awareness and get knowledge about it. So, without any further delay, Anubhab and me drove to Ramnagar to attend this program.
Guys, after entering from that forest department office gate, okay, there is the vulture sanctuary basically, and we have already seen one white-run vulture sitting there. It's very far in that rock. You can see that one, right? Those are vulture shit. You can see that white patches. As that one we have seen, that is not white ram, that is long-billed vulture, which is Indian vulture. And we are moving towards that hilltop. Okay, you can see people has already gone there, so we are about to reach. So guys, you can see this incredible landscape, right? This monolithic rocks you can see. So Ramnagar is very famous for this kind of monolithic rocks, and people do trekking. Bikers come over here, and today we have come for vultures. So yeah. Guys, see the massive participants today in Vulture Sanctuary Ramnagar.
Sad but true, it is reported in Ramnagar only one pair of Indian vulture is there, which we have just seen. But the good news is this pair is laying egg for past 3 years. So it's our duty to protect its habitat and take care of the ecosystem. After the incredible budding, we have got this amazing food: lemon rice, tomato rice, dhania chutney, idli. Yeah. So thank you Karnataka Forest Department
for providing us the food.
We should remember Indian vulture is a critically endangered species in IUCN Red List, whereas Egyptian vulture is endangered. In this season, we might get Egyptian vulture in Ramnagar, but if we need to see white-drummed vulture or Himalayan griffon, which can be passerby, but you need to visit Ramnagar in November and December for that. Sometimes red-headed vulture can also be seen here. Do you know, being a scavenger, its biggest threat is to end up their life to eat corpses which are already dead, consuming medicines or pesticides.
ರಣಹದ್ದು ರಣಹದ್ದು ಉಳಿಸಿ ಉಳಿಸಿ ರಣಹದ್ದು ಉಳಿಸಿ.
Guys, it's totally mesmerizing to be a witness of Shaheen falcon, not one, two, with a kill. And I have totally made the full video. Just look at it, and I just wanted to thank to the organizer who has organized this walk in this particular area, which is actually a protected area, okay, Vulture Sanctuary. And you need to get the permission to be into that area. So look at the video, guys. So guys, we have just finished our birding and breakfast. It was such a pleasure to attend this program, and I hope you like the video. So see you in my next one. Till then, raise humanity and spread peace. Bye bye.
Actually, these discussions are exactly why we should be here. And the audience today, and the number of you who came to look at vultures this morning, I was so happy they were there. Last year they disappointed us. They came at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Most of us missed it. So this year we're very privileged that we could watch those pair of Indian vulture, long-billed vulture, whichever name you prefer. And that was very, very special. Okay.
ಅಡವಿ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ವಂದನೆ ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ ಅಡವಿಗೆ ವಂದನೆ ಅಡವಿ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ವಂದನೆ ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ ಅಡವಿಗೆ ವಂದನೆ ಅಡವಿ ತಣ್ಣಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊರತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳೆಯು ಹಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾರೆ 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 ತನುಜಾತಿ ಜನನಿಯ ಜೋಗುಣ ವೇದದ ಘೋಷ ಜನನಿಗೆ ಜೀವವು ನಿನ್ನಾವೇಶ ಹಸುರಿನ ಗಿರಿಗಳ ಸಾಲೆ ನಿನ್ನಯ ಕೊರಳಿನ ಮಾಲೆ ಕಪಿಲ ಪತಂಜಲ ಗೌತಮ ಜಿನನುತ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತಿ ಶಂಕರರ ಮನುಜ ವಿದ್ಯಾರಣ್ಯ ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ ಮಧ್ವರ ದಿವ್ಯಾರಣ್ಯ ರನ್ನ ಷಡಕ್ಷರಿ ಪನ್ನ ಪಂಪಲ ಭೂಮಿಪತಿ ಜನ್ನ ಕುಮಾರ ವ್ಯಾಸರ ಮಂಗಳ ನಾಮ ಕವಿ ಕೋಗಿಲೆಗಳ ಪುಣ್ಯನಾಮ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಾದಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂಧುಗಳು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಹಸಿರು ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ನಡೆಯುವ ಮೂಲಕ
7ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ರಣರಾಜ್ಯ ಜಾಗೃತಿ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯ. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಆಹ್ವಾನವನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸಿ
ಇದು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವಿಚಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದ ಎಕೋಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾವೆಂಜರ್ಸ್ ವಿಚಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ